So good morning everybody. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Today slowly joining. Alright, though I started by 10 o'clock. The previously I used to actually begin the classes by 9:30. Today being a Sunday I started by 10 o'clock. Even though joining regular viewers. Okay, Vinodha, Surya Prakash, Vaishnavi, Swati, Nidhi Reddy, Yashwant, Prasanna, Venkatramana, Hariprasad. Okay, now, right, Sai Kiran. Good morning all. Good morning. Preeti, Srinivas Reddy Maram, Chinta, Vinoda, Prasanna, Gopalam Sai. Yes, Preeti, Chandana Sri. So, right. Balu, Karthik, and Kishore is there. It's actually happened seen. Kishore S. Kishore. Ashwa Reddy, Suma. Okay, Maruti, Saranya. Alright. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you. Ajay Khanna. Arsha Sampath. Okay. Right. So good morning all. So that means RMO classes now it's not possible, Sai Kiran. Actually now I think you are in the first year or second year. So I'll go through after June. Okay. So in the last class we have completed up to 43 problems in pair of straight lines. So today my plan is actually let it be completed this chapter now today. That means in this session most of the problems, and evening session also we shall have the pair of straight lines. In the pair of straight lines today let it be completed so that we will make up speed up the our syllabus. Okay. So let us move to the 44th question. 44th question. Pair of straight lines. Part 4. This is 44. Question number 44. Question number 44. Yes. Okay. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines 2x square minus 3xy plus y square equals to 0, and okay, x plus y equals to 1 is first option 1, 1, Second option 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Third option 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Fourth option 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. So this is the problem. Okay, Dishwan, good morning, good morning. Okay, right, Durgarao, you will get it, sure, don't worry, sure you will get it. Right. See, orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines 2x square minus 3xy plus y square is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1 is. So that means actually here, see, this is the coordinate axis. So this represents pair of lines passes through the origin and this line cuts this line. Say this is O point, say B point. Okay. Now the orthocenter of triangle OAB need to find out now. So that means actually we have one shortcut. I'll give the shortcut formula. Shortcut, all of you remember that shortcut. Already you might have studied even in colleges also, no problem. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 with third side, this is third side, is given by kl comma km. That means L comma M is from the line. That means here L is equal to 1, M is equal to 1, no problem. But what is K? That we need to find out. Where this K is given by minus N times A plus B upon AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. Okay, those who are actually attempting this problem first time, you need to practice at least 4 or 5 problems. So already practice means leave it, no problem. So this is the shortcut formula. So now we need to go for this question. What we need to find out, first of all, K value we need to find out. What is the K value? Minus n times of A plus B upon AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. After that, it's very simple. The orthocenter is given by K times L comma K times M, where L is the x coefficient of third line, M is the y coefficient of the third line. Okay, let us do it now. 44 solution. 44 solution. 44 solution. See, first let us find out here. We need to compare the given pair of lines with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So A stands for 2, 2h equals to minus 3. You can check with your question. You might have noted down, I think so. Next, L stands for 1, M stands for y coefficient 1, but n is not 1, that is minus 1. K value. What is K value? Minus n times A plus B upon What is the formula we have? AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. Just simplification you need to do very carefully, you need to do it. So that means let us do very careful manner, let us do it now. So minus of minus 1, A plus B. A plus B is how much? 2 plus 1 upon AM square. 2 multiplied by 1 square minus of 2H. 2H is minus 3. LM, that is 1. BL square. B stands for 1. L square is 1 square. So this equals to 3 upon 2 minus 3 plus 1. Okay. This will be plus because minus into minus. This will be how much now? 3 by 6. This will be 1 by 2. K value is known. Therefore, now we need to find out orthocenter. So, orthocenter is equal to what is the formula? We have K times L comma K times M. So that means K value is equal to half times 1. L is 1. So half times 1. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is the desired answer, a required answer. So here second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So I give the suggestion to all the viewers. Even you take first time actually 5 minutes or 10 minutes, no problem. First little bit you need to practice it. At least 3 or 4 problems based on this orthocenter, better you practice it. 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. How did you get it now? Let us see. Let us check it. I did wrong. I did check. I need to check. That's all. 2 plus 1 is actually A plus B. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Yes. Option 2. Sridhar Katta, you check it your answer. Dishwank 1 by 3. How it is 1 by 3? Three divided by. Yes. K is 1 by 2. Right, 1 by 2 only. Right. Right now. Forty-fifth question. Sorry. 45th problem. 45th problem. But actually I do different problems today, but you need to practice. You need to practice better. If two sides of a triangle lie along two sides of a triangle lie along 3x square minus 5xy plus 2y square equals to 0. Okay. And its orthocenter is 2, 1. Then the equation of the third side is Equation of the third side is first option 10x plus 5y plus minus 1 equals to 0. Second option 10x plus 5y minus 21 equals to 0. Third option 5x minus 10y plus 1 equals to 0. Fourth option 5x minus 10y minus 21 equals to 0. This is the question. Right. So this is somewhat different problem. Here orthocenter of the triangle is given and two sides of the triangle are given. Then we need to find out the third side we need to find out. For this one also we have the shortcut that I will explain. See what is the shortcut means. Two sides of a triangle lie along 3x square minus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. And its orthocenter is 2, 1. Then the equation of the third side you need to find out. So that means actually see this origin 3x square minus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0 represents two lines passes through the origin. And you need to find out third line. This is the third line. Orthocenter of this triangle OAB given. Orthocenter of triangle OAB is 2, 1. We need to find out this third line you need to find out. Say this for example L. Equation of L you need to find out. Okay, now right. So now shortcut here. Shortcut. Say now this point is for example L comma M is equal to 2, 1 and A equals to 3, 2H equals to minus 5 and B equals to 2. Then equation of third side. Equation of third side is Lx plus My into A plus B equal to AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. So this is the shortcut. So in this one you substitute it now. In this one you substitute it, you will get the answer. Okay. So now let us try it. Here L is 2, 2x plus My, y multiplied by A plus B. A plus B is 5 equal to AM square. A means 3. Here M square is 4 minus 2H into minus 5. LM is 2. BL square 2 into 1 square. So we need to simplify this one. 10x plus 5y equal to 12 plus 10 plus 2. Okay. How much we'll be getting? This is see A into M square. Sorry, I did mistake here. Wait. I need to check it this one. Here A means how much? 3. M square is 1 square minus of minus 5 into LM means 2 into 1 2 plus BL square 2 into 4. That is 3 plus 10 plus 8. So this will be 21. So 10x plus 5y minus 21 equals to 0. So 10x plus 5y minus 21 is equal to 0 means which is the right option? Second option is the right option. Okay, understood now? So better you follow this shortcut. Lx plus my. You remember this one. Okay. So these kind of problems also you need to practice. You need to practice. Forty-sixth problem. Right, 46th one. If lambda times x square plus 6xy plus 6xy plus 9y square plus 4x plus 12y plus 3 equals to 0 represents a pair of lines, then lambda is equal to. So what is the value of lambda? First option minus 3, second option minus 4, third option is 1, fourth option is 5. Fourth option is 5. Yes, 46th question. Okay. Let me read the question first of all. See, the lambda x square plus 6xy minus 9y square plus 4x plus 12y plus 3 is equal to 0 represents a pair of lines. Then lambda is equal to. If it represents pair of straight lines, delta must be 0. ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus c square is equal to 0. Okay. Otherwise, I will tell you very beautiful shortcut. That is actually we have the shortcut. Let me discuss the shortcut here now. So what is the shortcut means? Here first we write down here a value. A value is lambda, b value is 9, c value is constant c 3, 2h is equal to 6, 2g equals to 4, and next 2f is equal to 12. Okay. Now what is the shortcut means? Just write down ABCDs. That's all. What are the ABCDs we have? First write down ABC. Next is FGH. Same repeat once again, FGH only. So that means here now we will write A stands for lambda, B stands for 9, C stands for 3, F stands for 6. Because 2F is equal to 6, 2F is equal to 12, F is equal to 6. 2G 4, G 2, H 3. Repeat 6 2 3. What we need to write down here? Shortcut is sum of the product of the rows. This is the shortcut. Sum of the product of the columns. That means elements in the columns. This shortcut is wonderful shortcut. You see, you might have not actually experienced this shortcut now. So now here you see you get like this 27 lambda, correct, plus 36 plus 36 equals to columns now 36 lambda first column product of the elements plus second column 36 plus this is 27. Very interesting, here you see this 36 gets cancelled. Now we need to simplify, so that means we get like this now 36 lambda minus 27 lambda, bring this side. Now 36 minus 27, see the simplification we need to do. 36 minus 27 is 9 lambda, here 9, so lambda equals to 1. How is this shortcut? So you practice this shortcut, it's very simple, rather than even determinant. Even ABC plus 2FGH, all the simplifications will be simplified using this shortcut. Forty-seven. Thank you. 47. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines. A pair of parallel lines. That's product of sum of the product of rows. Just find the product of the first row, second row, third row, add. Next find the product of the first column, second column, third column, add. Both equate. You will get the answer, Peter. That's very simple. So you practice one problem, you will get an idea. Then g square minus ac upon f square minus ac root equals to first option a by b, second option is root over a by b, third option this is root of b by a, fourth option is b by a. This is the problem. Okay, I will repeat last question, don't worry. Still we have the problems, I will discuss once again. See, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines. Then we need to find out this value. So if s is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines, we know the two conditions. Akanksha, actually you need to subscribe first. So that means whenever they represent pair of parallel lines, we have two conditions. Let us write the two conditions first. What are the two conditions actually here? See, first condition is h square greater than, h square equals to ab and af square equals to bg square. So next condition we have, second one, distance between parallel lines. This we have discussed here. That is 2 root of g square minus ac by a times a plus b, and equal to this also same as 2 root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. So that means this is the concept we have. With the help of this concept actually, see, we need to find out what root of g square minus ac by f square minus ac means. From first condition we may not get it. That's why if you equate these two values, because the distance are same, we get this value. So that we need to do it now. How to do? Equate these two. If we equate 2 gets cancelled, we can write like this: root of g square minus ac upon root of a times a plus b equals to root of f square minus bc upon root of b times a plus b. Now just interchange, bring this side now. This can be rewritten root of g square minus ac upon root of f square minus bc equals to root of a times a plus b by root of a times a plus b. So this is nothing but this one only, root of g square minus ac by root of f square minus bc. This we can write root over a times a plus b upon here b times a plus b. A plus b cancel. What is the answer? Root of a by b. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. F square minus bc. F square minus bc. Yes, I have written f square minus bc only. Right. Yes, in the option question, this must be f square minus bc. Right, that's correct. Yes, f square minus bc. I changed it. You see, check it now. Okay. Question number 48. Am I audible to you? Is it audible? Okay. If ax square plus 5xy minus 6y square minus 10x plus 11y plus c equals to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular pair of perpendicular lines, then C equals to first option 6, second option -6, third option 4, fourth option -4. This is the question. So in this also I use the shortcut, same shortcut we need to use it. That's why Peter, now you need to concentrate now. Right. Ax square plus 5xy minus 6y square minus 10x plus 11y plus c equals to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Then we need to find out c value. The first step, we need to find out the a value. Since they represent pair of perpendicular lines, sum of x square coefficient and y square coefficient should be equal to 0. That means a plus b is equal to 0. So that we get the value of a. Having been evaluated a, then apply the shortcut. Okay, first let us follow. So what we need to do means, since they are represent pair of perpendicular lines, a plus b must be 0. What is a plus b here? A means a only, b means y square coefficient minus 6 equal to 0. So that means we have a equals to 6. Now what is b? Minus 6. What is c? Constant c. 2h equals to 5. 2g equals to minus 10. 2f equals to 11. Now we need to find out c value because they represent pair of pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines means we need to apply the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Write down a b c f g h f g h. So that means we can write like this. What is ABC? 6 minus 6 C FGH. F is 11 by 2. G is minus 5. Okay, G is minus 5. Here H is 5 by 2. Same we need to repeat. Third row also. 11 by 2 minus 5 and 5 by 2. So Mr. Peter and others, please carefully observe now what I write. Here you remember, first find the product of the first row, next second row product, next third row product. Get the sum. 6 into minus 6 into C minus 36C plus product of the second row. Product of the second row means 25 into 11. What is 25 into 11? 25 into 11 means 55 to 75. So that will be, wait now, that is actually 55 into 5 minus 275. That will be minus 275 by 4. This will be same, minus 275 by 4 equals to, now product of the here column, first column, 2 3 ja 33 into 11, 33 into 11, 11 by 2 into 6 is actually 33, 33 into 11, that means 363. This is 363 by 2. This will be minus 150, minus 150, because 30 plus 30 into minus 5, minus 150, this will be 25 C by 4. So this we need to simplify now. If you simplify, then you will get the answer. Okay. So what is the simplification? Can you do it now? Yes, 363 by 2. Yes, 363 by 2, and just you solve this equation, you will get the answer. I think you will try. You will try. Okay. Same model. 49. 49. If x square plus alpha y square plus 2 beta y equal to a square represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Then C equals to first option A, second option 2A, third option is 3A, fourth option is 4A. Right now, okay, so this represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Pair of perpendicular lines means okay, alpha we can find out. The solution means a plus b equals to 0, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. 1 plus alpha is equal to 0. Alpha becomes minus 1. Now let us write the values. Okay. Here in this one, a value equals to 1 x square coefficient, b value is alpha whose value is minus 1, c value is minus a square, because bring a square this side, that becomes minus a square. 2h equals to xy coefficient option 0, x coefficient of option 2g is equal to 0, next 2f is equal to beta. So then this will be beta value. Right. So now let us write the shortcut. What is the shortcut? You will write A, B, C, F, G, H. So write down A, B, C means 1 minus 1 minus a square. F is beta, G0, H0. Here beta, 0, 0. So now what we need to do it now? First product of the row, that is a square, am I correct? Minus 1 into minus a square, plus second row product 0, product of the third elements of the third row 0 equals to, now columns equals to how much we have? Beta square minus 0 minus 0. So we have beta square is equal to a square. Therefore beta equals to plus or minus a. But plus a is there. That means either a plus a or minus a. So that means first option is the right option. Kavita, already the question has been rectified. Okay. Now question number 50. Question number 50. See, just ABC, FGH, FGH write down. You do like this, sum of the product of the rows is equal to sum of the product of the columns. You get same ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CS square is equal to 0 itself only, Suma. The distance between the parallel lines, distance between the parallel lines given by x plus 7y whole square plus 4 root 2 times x plus 7y minus 42 equals to 0 is first option 4 by 5, second option 4 root 2, third option 2, fourth option 10 root 2. Fourth option 10 root 2. Expansion of data is very difficult, Mr. Nivi Reddy. If you practice this one, that will be very simple. Sometimes while expansion, the signs you need to take it, but here you don't have any signs, directly will get it. Distance between the parallel lines given by x plus 7y whole square plus 4 root 2 times x plus 7y minus 42 equals to 0 is the distance between the parallel lines we need to find out. So now first let us solve this problem like this. Let x plus 7y equals to something a, you say. So now we get a quadratic equation, a square plus 4 root 2 times a minus 42 equals to 0. Now we need to factorize it. So 42 means we can write 7 into 6. This we can write 7 into 2 into 3. The 2 can be split into 7 root 2 into 3 root 2. You check it. Root 2 into root 2, 4. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 7 is 42 only. That means now this is actually minus, minus, minus. Here also minus, minus, minus. Sorry. This is plus only, right? Plus 6. Okay. So now this we can write a square plus, this will be plus, you take it, this will be minus, you take it. 7 root 2a minus 3 root 2a minus 42 equals to 0. Here you take a common, you get a plus 7 root 2. You take minus 3 root 2 common, here you get a plus 7 root 2. Now you get a plus 7 root 2 common out, a plus 7 root 2 into a minus 3 root 2 equal to 0. That means a stands for here x plus 7y. This we can write x plus 7y plus 7 root 2 equals to 0. This is one equation. Now other equation is x plus 7y minus 3 root 2 equals to 0. It is absolutely straight lines problem. Distance between the parallel lines we need to find out. So distance between the parallel lines is given by distance between parallel lines equal to mod of C2 minus C1 by root of a square plus b square. That is equal to minus 3 root 2 and minus 7 root 2 mod upon root of, here a means 1, b means 7 from this equation. X coefficient 1, y coefficient 7. So 1 plus you can write 49. This will be 10 root 2. So 10 root 2 modulus of negative, positive we can take root 50. Root 50 is 5 root 2. Root 2 cancel. So 2 distance between the parallel lines is third option. Third option is the right option. So one thing I would like to share with you, whenever the new method is there, first you need to check it. Then after you will enjoy that shortcut. Actually a shortcut I have been practicing for 35 years. This shortcut. I learned 35 years ago. This shortcut. ABC plus FGH, the shortcut. But for myself actually, that is actually I have been feeling that's very comfortable while solving such kind of problems. But unless you put practice, you cannot say. #51. The lines x square minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0 and y square minus 5y plus 6 equals to 0 are four sides of first option square, second option rectangle, third rhombus, fourth is none. So this is the question. I think Peter today only joined. Right. First, Let us find out factors of x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Next, let us find out factors of y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then, with the help of that lines, so first let us find out. Have you subscribed first of all? Peter, you need to subscribe. X square minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. What are the factors? X minus 4 into x minus 2. Am I correct? Equals to 0. That means you get two lines. X is equal to 4, equation 1. X is equal to 2 is equation 2. Next, y square minus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. This is y minus 2 into y minus 3 equals to 0. Y is equal to 2, third equation, and y is equal to 3 is fourth equation. So now let us draw the figure now. Let us draw the figure. So you get the figure like this. Two parallel lines and two perpendicular lines. Say for example, okay, say this equation 1, equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3, equation 4. This is A coordinates, say B coordinates, say this is C coordinates, this is D coordinates. See, solving 1 and 3. Solving 1 and 3 means this A means 4, 3. What are the B coordinates now? Solving 1 and 4. 1 and 4 means 4, 3. 1 and 4. 1 and 4 also solving 1 and 3. 4, 3. Yes. 1 and 3. 4, 2. Sorry. This is 4, 2. Solving 1 and 4. 1 and 4 means 4, 3. C coordinates. Solving 2 and 4. Solving 2 and 4 means 2, 3. D coordinates. Solving 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means 2, 2. Now check what is the distance. Here distance between these two. Find out. 2, 3. 2, 3 means 1. This distance is 1. This distance also 1. Let us find out this distance. This actually 4, this distance will be 2. 4 minus 2. This distance will be 2. That means what are the lengths of this one? Here lengths will be here opposite sides are equal to here 1, 1. So this and also they are 90 degrees, making 90 degrees here. So that means this is nothing but a rectangle. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Fifty-two, right. 52 now. So voice is clear or not now? Others, you need to chat it now, all of you. How is my voice? Okay? Right. The quadrilateral thank you. the quadrilateral formed by the pair of lines 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square equals to 0, and 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square minus 15x minus 15y plus 25 equals to 0 is first option parallelogram, second rhombus, third rectangle, fourth square. Okay. Now so in this question, first of all, you need to check a plus b. A plus b means 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 does not equal to 0. So that's why it is not a rectangle, it is not a square. Either it may be parallelogram or rhombus. That's all. That means third option, fourth option will be eliminated just by observing the problem. So that means let us check it now. First of all, let us check here. A value is 2, B value is 2, C value is not required. Okay, write down, no problem. 25. What is 2h? 5. What is 2g? Minus 15. What is 2f? Minus 15. First we need to check that a plus b. A plus b equals to 2 plus 2, 4 does not equal to 0. That means it may be parallelogram or rhombus. These two options have been eliminated. Now we need to check now. What we need to check now? First find a minus b into fg value. What is a minus b plus fg plus h times f square minus g square? We need to find out. A minus b is 0 plus h is equal to how much? 5 by 2. F square minus g square. F square is also minus 15 by 2 square. Both are equal. Here f square minus g square also 0. 0 you will be getting. So that's why a plus b does not equal to 0. A minus b fg plus h into f square minus g square is equal to 0. Then it will be rhombus. It's not a parallelogram. Rhombus is the right option. This has been eliminated. Understood now? Without paper pen, this problem can be solved. Can I tell you? Are you interested? Without paper pen, just by seeing only we can say. How means, actually you see. First check a plus b. 4. That means it's not a rectangle, it's not a square. Parallelogram or rhombus. Then just check constant term. 25. 25 is a perfect square. That means 5 square. Therefore rhombus. That's our answer. If 25, for example, if C is not a perfect square, then obviously that will be parallelogram. So this shortcut can be applied. Without paper, pen, you can do it. Okay, 53. The quadrilateral formed by the pairs of lines 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square is equal to 0, and 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square plus x plus 5y minus 1 equals to 0 is first parallelogram, second rhombus, third rectangle, fourth square. Okay, by checking, see, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. So that means either it may be rectangle or square. First two options will be eliminated. So now we need to check whether rectangle or square. Option 1 is not correct, wrong in this one. So let us check it now. A equals to 6, B equals to minus 6, C equals to minus 1, 2H is equal to minus 5, 2G equals to 1, 2F equal to 5. Now A plus B equals to 6 plus of minus 6, 0. That means we get two cases. What are the two cases? You get it now here. It may be rectangle or square. So now we need to check the value. A minus B into Fg plus H times F square minus G square. So A minus B is 12 times F 5 by 2, G is 1 by 2, H is minus 5 by 2, F square minus G square. F square minus G square is equal to how much? H will be minus 5 by 2, correct? F square minus G square. F square minus G square means 25 by 4 minus G square means 1 by 4. Okay, this will be 2 to the 4, 3, 15 minus 5 by 2 into, this is 24 by 4. 24 by 4 is also 24 by 4, 6, 2, 3 ja. 15 minus 15, 0. Absolutely. That means it must be a square. So that means fourth option. Here also one technique is there. What is the technique means? Option 3 you got it now. No. You check it now. A minus B into Fg plus H into F square minus G square is 0 itself only. That's why you will get option 4 square. Okay. And one more thing you remember, without paper pen, 6 plus of minus 6 is 0. That means either rectangle or square. These two options will be eliminated. Next see 1. 1 is a perfect square. So answer is square. Fifty-fourth question. 54th. The pairs of straight lines x square minus 3xy plus 2y square equals to 0, and x square minus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus 2 equals to 0 form. First option square, second option rhombus, third parallelogram, fourth rectangle. Right. Here coefficient of x square 1 plus 2 3, that means it's not a square, it's not a rectangle, either rhombus or parallelogram. Here 2 is not a perfect square, so answer is parallelogram. It is paper, without paper pen. Solution: A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 2, 2H is equal to minus 3, 2G equals to 1, Y coefficient option 2F is 0. Now check A plus B. A plus B is 3, does not equal to 0. That's why this must be parallelogram or rhombus. A minus B into Fg plus H into F square minus G square, we need to check. If it is 0, then it will be rhombus, otherwise parallelogram. Right. A minus B. A minus B is minus 1 into Fg, 0, plus H is minus 3 by 2, 0, minus G square, that is minus 1 by 4. This will be 0 plus 3 by 8, which does not equal to 0. Therefore, parallelogram. So third option is the right option. I hope you might have followed this problem. 55. Question number 55. Question number 55. Right. The length of the side of a square formed by the lines 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square equals to 0, and 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 3x minus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. See, you check, they form a square. 1 is a perfect square, 2 plus of minus 2 is 0. They form a square itself only. Venkatramana, you change that 1082 or 780 or like that. I don't have the idea. Settings you need to change. So first option 1 by root 3, second option 1 by root 5, third option is 1 by root 7, fourth option 1 by root 10. Thank you. So now the length of the side of a square formed by the lines, they form a square. Understood now? So now we need to find out the side of the square. For example, say this is the square. Let the length, say length be A. All lengths are equal, A itself only. First, if you are able to find out area of this square, then area of square is equal to A square. Then A square is equated to area formed by this pair of lines. Then we can find out the side of the square we can find out. So that means solution. Let A be the side of the square. Side of the square. Side of the square. Area formula. Area formed by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, and ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is given by mod c by 2 root of h square minus ab. This is the formula. So let us find out this value. See, mod minus 1 by root of 2 times h value. H value is 3 by 2. That means 9 by 4 minus ab. That means be plus 4. This equal to 1 by 2 root of, this will be 25 by 4. This will be 1 by 2 times 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 5 square units, this area. But we need to find out a square. That means you see here a square becomes 1 by 5. Therefore side, which is equal to a, equal to root of 1 by 5. That will be 1 by root 5. So second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay. Venkatramana, Saranya, Swati, Sancha, Suma, Nibireddy. Okay. Right. Next question. Let's move to the next question. Fifty-sixth problem. Right. 56th problem. If the pair of lines 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square equals to 0 and 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square minus x plus 7y plus c equals to 0 forms a quadrilateral having area 1 by 25 square units, then C equals to right, the first option is 1, second option 9, third option is 49, fourth option is 25. Gopalam Sai, what do you want? Square, you want square? Okay, right. The pair of lines both will form a quadrilateral. It may be square or rhombus or parallelogram or rectangle whose area is given by 1 by 25 square units. We need to find out C value. That means first of all we have the formula. Area of the parallelogram formed is C by 2 root of h square minus AB. Substitute value. C stands for C only. Mod C, that is no problem. You put mod C. 2 root of h square. What is h square actually here? This will be 2h. H is 7 by 2. 49 by 4 minus AB. A is 12 and B is minus 12. That will be plus 144. So what is 144 into 4 times? 16 576. 576 plus 49, 625. This will be mod C by 2 times. Here you can write. Here you can write. Here you can write 625 by 4. 25 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Mod C by 25. But what is given area? Area is 1 by 25. So this equal to 1 by 25. Having been cancelled 25, 25, mod C equals to 1. That implies C equals to plus or minus 1. That means either 1 or minus 1. So option 1 is there. Option 1 is there. Okay. 57th question. Right. 57. The square of the distance from origin okay, the square of the distance from origin to the point of intersection of pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy minus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is. So first option, f square plus g square upon a square plus h square. Second option, f square plus g square upon a square minus h square. Third option, f square plus g square upon okay, h square minus a square. Fourth option, f square minus g square upon h square minus a square. Okay. So Hemant Pakadala, I know the derivative methods also. That is, derivative methods are applicable to find out point of intersection itself only, but that cannot be applied here. Right. Srinu Mastan, have you subscribed? You seem to be new today. Square of the distance from origin to the point of intersection of the pair of lines is. So that means first formula, for example, see, this represents this origin. Say this is point P, point of intersection of the lines. Join this one. We need to find out OP square. The OP square is given by, that is formula we have, A plus B into C minus F square minus G square upon AB minus H square. So you remember, this is very important shortcut. This one you need to remember. This is the square of the distance from origin to the point of intersection of pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. But in this problem, one condition is given that we need to check it. What is the condition? Instead of b, minus a given. Instead of b, here in this one, put b is equal to minus a. Then we get required answer. Therefore, OP square is equal to, we get like this now. B is equal to minus a means B is equal to 0 times C minus F square minus G square upon, in the place of B minus A square minus H square. So this will be minus common F square plus G square, and minus common here also H square plus A square. Minus minus gets cancelled. We have correct now. The minus minus gets cancelled. So what is the answer? F square plus G square by H square plus A square. First option is the right option, not third option. You check it now. Right. See, these are the free classes. Let me say once again, if you are interested, you can watch or you can improve yourself. Otherwise, you can leave. That's your choice, not my choice. Option is yours. Option is yours, because you are going to appear entrance examination. But I am not going to write any entrance examination. Now nobody will be allowed to write to appear any entrance examination for me. Am I correct or not? So you need to decide your destiny. That's very important. That's even in your hands. $58. If the pair of lines, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Intersect on x-axis. Then first option, A, G, C, are in geometric progression. Second, A comma F comma C are in geometric progression. GP, geometric progression. Third option, A, G, C are in arithmetic progression. Fourth one, B comma F comma C are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Right. First let me have a water, then I will start. Right. See, the pair of lines of s is equal to 0 intersect on x-axis. First, length of the intercept made by s is equal to 0 on x-axis radar. So that is actually length of the intercept is 2 root of f square, sorry, 2 root of g square minus ac upon mod a. But intersect on x-axis means the length of the x-intercept becomes 0. This becomes 0 here. That means by cross multiplication you get 2 root of g square minus ac is equal to 0. Squaring up both sides. So having been squared, g square minus ac 4 times equal to 0. 0 by 4 is 0. G square is equal to ac. Therefore, A, G, C are in geometric progression because G is called geometric mean. First option is the correct option. First option. Right. Correct only. Mine is correct. Yes, by y-intercept is 0, not x-intercept. On x-axis. On x-axis. Right. Option 1. Right. Myself I checked once again. Right. Next. Okay, 59th question. 59th. Now you need to tell me the answer. This one. I'll give this question today. You need to solve. No, not like that. Length of the x-intercept made on the intercept made on the x-axis becomes 0. Becomes 0. Otherwise, you do one thing. Put y is equal to 0 in the equation. You get a quadratic equation. Then the roots are equal. The same condition you will get it. Niviridi, you try. If the pair of straight lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. H square greater than AB. That means they represent real and distinct lines. Put y is equal to 0 in the equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then you get like this. Ax square plus 2gx plus c equals to 0. Since intersect on x-axis means actually the x coordinate will be coincide. The roots are equal. B square minus 4ac equated to 0, you get the same condition. Forms an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. With the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then a plus 3b multiplied by 3a plus b equals to first option h square, second option minus h square, third option 2h square, fourth option 4 times h square. Okay, I will come to the 58th later. Okay. Not at last, but at least. Okay. So let us come to this question first. The pair of straight lines given by capital AX square plus 2 capital H times XY plus B capital Y square equal to 0 forms an equilateral triangle with the line. That means first of all we need to find out the equation of the pair of straight